everyone, welcome to our channel. Please make sure to subscribe and like our videos to stay connected to the latest tech trends. Our today's topic is going to be about cloud strategy, optimizing for cost, performance, and security. So, as businesses increasingly shift to the cloud, having a well-defined cloud strategy is essential. It's not just about moving to the cloud, but about making smart choices to balance cost, performance, and security while ensuring scalability and efficiency. A strong cloud strategy helps organizations optimize costs by selecting the right pricing models and ensuring resources are used efficiently. At the same time, it focuses on performance, ensuring applications run smoothly, scale when needed, and deliver a seamless user experience. Security is also a critical component. Companies must protect sensitive data, prevent cyber threats, and comply with regulations. Finding the right balance among these three factors is key. Prioritizing one over the other can lead to inefficiencies. For example, cutting costs too much might impact performance, while focusing only on security could limit flexibility. By implementing best practices, automation, and continuous monitoring, businesses can maximize the benefits of cloud computing while staying competitive in a rapidly evolving digital world.
Welcome again, guys. So let's get on with our today's topic, cloud strategy, balancing cost, performance, and security. So, cloud computing has become an essential component of modern IT strategies, providing businesses with scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. With the rise of digital transformation, organizations are increasingly migrating their workloads to the cloud to enhance operational agility and competitiveness. A successful cloud strategy involves optimizing three key aspects: cost, performance, and security. By carefully managing these elements, organizations can ensure they maximize the benefits of cloud computing while minimizing risks. However, a well defined approach is crucial to avoid pitfalls such as uncontrolled costs, performance bottlenecks, and security vulnerabilities. So, how do you define your cloud objectives? Cloud objectives should align with your business goals. You have to ensure your cloud strategy supports broader organizational objectives and creates measurable business values. Second one is you have to identify key performance indicators, establishing metrics for cost reduction, uptime, and security incidents. Example, reduce infrastructure costs by 20% while maintaining 99.99% uptime and zero security breaches. The third one is assess current state. Thoroughly evaluate existing infrastructure, applications, and data to create a baseline for migration planning. So, let's go to cost optimization strategies. There are four cost optimization strategies. The first one is right sizing resources, that is, monitoring CPU, memory, and storage utilization to eliminate waste. For example, Google found out that 40% of cloud spend is wasted on idle resources. Second one is reserved instances, that is, to commit a long-term usage for significant discounts up to 72% on AWS compared to on-demand pricing. The third one is spot instances. Leverage unused capacity for non-critical workloads, achieving up to 90% discount for fault-tolerant applications. The fourth strategy is automated scaling, that is scaling up resources that is scaling up or down resources based on your demand patterns. Netflix, for example, saves millions annually using this approach. So, moving on to the next, that is performance optimization. We have this pyramid and we find latency or latency reduction at the top of the pyramid. Second one, there is scalability and elasticity. Third, we find workload optimization, and at the bottom of the pyramid, we find fault tolerance. The performance of a cloud strategy refers to how effectively an organization's cloud infrastructure meets its operational goals. Poor performance can lead to slow application response times, inefficient resource utilization, increased operational costs, and customer dissatisfaction. Organizations must adopt a proactive approach to performance management by continuously monitoring, analyzing, and refining their cloud environments. Third one, security performance. Security performance has three main components, that is identity and access management. So we have to implement role-based access control, that is RBAC in short, multi-factor authentication, and single sign-on to control access. The second one is data protection and encryption. Encrypt data at rest and in transit with AES 256 and TLS or SSL. Use tokenization for sensitive data and ensure regular backups. Third one is network security. Adopt zero trust architecture. Use virtual private clouds, VPC in short. Implement DDoS protection and secure APIs with proper authentication. A well-optimized cloud security strategy should strike a balance between strong protection mechanisms and seamless access to resources, ensuring that security controls do not introduce unnecessary complexity or performance bottlenecks. Let's move on to cloud architecture and design. We have four components here. One is microservices architecture. That is breaking down applications into smaller, independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled individually, improving flexibility and resilience. Second one is serverless computing. Functions as a service for event-driven applications, eliminating infrastructure management. AWS Lambda processes trillions of requests monthly. Infrastructure as code, automating infrastructure provisioning and management with tools like Terraform and CloudFormation, reducing deployment times up to 80%. Containerization, using Docker and Kubernetes for application portability and scalability across different cloud environments. Monitoring and management. Cloud monitoring tools. Implement solutions like CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, and Google Cloud Monitoring to track performance metrics in real time. Second one, log management. Centralize and analyze logs for troubleshooting issues and identifying security incidents before they escalate. Alerting and incident response. Set up automated alerts for critical events and establish clear protocols for rapid incident resolution. Fourth one, cost tracking and analysis. Visualize cloud spending patterns and identify opportunities for optimization across all resources. Continuous improvement and innovation, which is our last topic for this video. The first one is regular strategy reviews. Implement a biannual process to assess cloud performance, security, and cost efficiency against established KPIs. Second one is technology adoption. Stay current with emerging cloud technologies and best practices through ongoing education and vendor relationships. Experimentation. Encourage controlled innovation through proof of concepts and pilot projects to test new cloud capabilities. A successful cloud strategy balances cost, performance, and security to maximize benefits while minimizing risks. By managing costs through right sizing and auto scaling, optimizing performance with proper resource allocation, and maintaining a strong security posture, organizations can achieve efficiency, high availability, and protection against threats. So, thank you for tuning in. This is what we have for this topic. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay updated. Thank you.